I gotta go down a little bit. Hey everybody, it's Linda Medeiros with The Pampered Chef, director with The Pampered Chef, and the host of What's Linda Cooking. I am just doing fast food done at home. Let me tell you, I went out food shopping today because the store had nobody in it. So I decided to go food shopping, and I got these hamburgers. So I was going by McDonald's. Hey Devon. I was going by McDonald's, and they were 10 deep in there in the drive-thru. I was like, oh my gosh! And then I went by another one, and it was like 10 deep. And then, the Dunkin' Donuts, 10 deep. I'm like, oh my gosh, why? So I just got hamburgers that were in the store, and you can make those. We do actually have a hamburger maker, and I have my single burner grill pan. I love this thing because I can do chicken on it. I can do fish. I can do steaks and all of that. I actually like the double burner better because it actually is only a little bit more money and you get double the space. So obviously I like that better. But what I love about these also, the handles come off, so I can actually, when you're cooking steak, you can actually sear it on top of the stove on both sides and then finish it off in the oven. So I like that. And I'm doing a little bit of onion because we like that. I asked my husband if he wanted some bacon, but he's like, nah, I don't need bacon on it. So no bacon. So we're gonna make our own hamburgers. And in my deluxe fryer over here, I don't know if you can see. Let's see if you can see it over here. I've got my French fries in the basket, and those only have about 6 more minutes. And those are just going to rotate. That's what I love about that air fryer, because I can do that. Now, some of the other tools that I'm using, these are my little turners. We have a whole set of the, it comes with a spoon, the big turner, the slotted spoon, and then a small turner that you might have seen me use before. These are on sale this month. In fact, we have a bunch. Go to my website, www.pamperedchef.biz/Linda Medeiros. You will see that we have a bunch of sale items, and those items are less money, like our popcorn maker. Oh my gosh, I've been eating popcorn. Get yourself some popcorn kernels and make your own popcorn. It's easy. So when you're having those movie nights, which we're all doing, or those binge watching, or whatever, you have that. So these are on sale. The popcorn maker is on sale. So I really, really love that. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn these, and then I'm going to top them with cheese. Actually, just one of them, because my husband is the only one who wants cheese. So I'm going to top it with some cheese. I've got some cheese right here. Now I can all grate it or slice it. I'm actually going to just, slice it. And then probably wash up some lettuce on the side, or make a quick salad, because believe it or not, after all that salad I had, I don't have any more left, so I bought some lettuce. So I'll probably use my salad and berry spinner and spin up some. I'm going to make this one my husband's right here. He's going to need a little more cheese on that. So we can make the hamburgers however we want, and these are so much better than fast food hamburgers. I mean, fast food hamburgers, I don't even know if they're real beef. So much better, much more economical, because this is much less than going through the drive-thru for 3 of us. So this is what we are having for dinner tonight. I was thinking I was going to do leftovers, but then I decided that, you know what, I'm just going to do, all these people are in line for fast food, I might as well do it. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. What I love about this month particularly is when, which pan is that, Linda? Oh, Cindy, hey. This is the non-stick grill pan. And then we also have the double burner, which is just a little bit more money, and I always suggest getting the double burner. A lot of my hosts are getting that because they don't really even take it off their stovetop because they're using it so much. I mean, how many times are you making grilled chicken? How many people are preppers? Not doomsday preppers. I'm talking about people who prep on Sunday night for the rest of the week. A lot of people will use that to just grill veggies, grill all your meat up, and then put it in your salads and things like that. So I love, love, love this. And of course, it's always either free or half price for my host. So if you want to do that, we're doing great virtual shows. I'm doing cabin fever shows right now, which are very popular because everybody is at home. So this is I'm gonna put a picture of what it all looks like when I'm done. But this is Linda Medeiros. What are you cooking tonight? Just drop me a line. Let me know what you're cooking, because I always like to hear what you're cooking. And I shouldn't be making these little, My daughters always say to me, Mom, why are you making those expressions on your face? Stop it. Like I'm an embarrassment to them, I guess. Ha ha ha. So, anyways, I don't care. I kind of live to embarrass them anyways. Just drop me a line on what you're cooking and what you're making tonight. And, stay safe, everybody. And Devon's making burgers right now. Cindy, clam chowder. Oh, my gosh. I love clam chowder. In fact, I have clams that I did because we get a quahog license, shellfish license every year. And I dig up some quahog. So I have some in the freezer that I should be using. And maybe I'll make some chowder one of these days because I do have bacon. I do have the stuff to make clam chowder. So that might be coming up soon. But, in the comments, please like and share, because sharing is caring. Stay safe, everybody. Wear the mask when you're going out shopping. And, I look utterly ridiculous when I go food shopping, like utterly ridiculous with what I have on. But anyways, I try to be safe. Be safe, everybody, and let me know what you're cooking. Bye for now.